Let's continue with Scene 2 of Athena and Arachne.
Scene 2. Mount Olympus, home of Athena. A messenger arrives. Messenger, Goddess Athena, I have news from Athens. The weaver Arachne says she can beat you in a weaving competition. She's obsessed with her skill and thinks she is the best weaver in Greece. Athena, I'll show her who weaves the finest cloth. Her obsession with weaving must end. Please get me my cloak. Messenger hands Athena her cloak. Athena, Arachne cannot talk about me that way. If she refuses to apologize, I will make her pay for her boastful words. Her anguish will be great.
The setting of Scene 2 takes place in the home of the goddess Athena. This is the scene where Athena has learned that Arachne has challenged her. These two questions will be found in Scene 2. The first question says, confirm predictions. Check the prediction you made on page 133. Circle clues. Well, the prediction that we made was that Athena actually isn't too busy to take her up on this challenge. In this line, Athena says, I'll show her who weaves the finest cloth. This line of dialogue supports my prediction because Athena is saying that she is going to take her up on that challenge. So I'm going to circle this whole line of dialogue. The next question is on root words. It says, draw a box around the word apologize. Write the word here. I see the word apologize here. I'm going to box it in. Now that I've found the word apologize, it wants me to write the root word here. The root of a word is the base part of the word and it has meaning. The root of this word is apology. I'm going to write it on the line. The word apology is a statement about being sorry. And then we have the suffix "ize," I-Z-E. The suffix "ize" means to make. So if the word apology is a statement about being sorry, and the suffix "ize" means to make, the word apologize must mean to make a statement about being sorry.
Scene 3. Arachne's home. There is a knock at the door. Arachne, who's there? Athena, just an old woman with a question. Athena is hiding under her cloak. She enters the room. Athena, is it true that you challenged the goddess Athena to a weaving competition? Arachne, yes, that's right. Athena drops her cloak. Athena, well, I am Athena, and I am here to compete with you. Diana, Arachne, please don't. It is unwise to compete with a goddess. Arachne and Athena sit down at the empty looms and begin to weave furiously.
The third question on this page focuses on Scene 3, and it's about dialogue. It asks, how does Athena trick Arachne? The third scene starts with a knock at the door, and when Arachne opens the door, she just sees an old woman there. We know that it's Arachne, but Arachne seems to have disguised herself as an old woman. The stage directions even say Athena is hiding under her cloak. So to answer the question, how does Athena trick Arachne? She tricks her by telling her that she's an old woman with a question. I'm going to write that on the line. Athena tricks her by telling her she is an old woman with a question. Now we have to underline the text evidence. Athena's dialogue in the beginning of Scene 3 is my text evidence. Now it's your turn. On the next slide, underline the text evidence that answers the question about how Athena tricked Arachne.